When the Oracle Optimizer evaluates your SQL statement and generates an execution plan, it uses the database statistics for all the tables and indexes involved with the statement to determine the most efficient execution plan. If these statistics are out of date or do not reflect the current state of the database objects, then it is likely that the optimizer will generate a suboptimal execution plan. For example, if the statistics indicate that the database table is very small in size, say just 1,000 rows, then Oracle will assume it is efficient to perform a full table scan of the table due to this small size. In reality, if the table is very large, you'd want to use an index operation, but because Oracle has incorrect information about the table, it's going to make a bad choice and not use an index in this situation. Typically, in production environments, your DBA will set up a recurring job that will keep database stats up to date, so this situation occurs less frequently. If you are in a test environment, though, things may be less automated, so you want to be conscious of how current your database statistics are. Stats can also be out of date if you've just done a bulk load or bulk deletion of data, since these operations can significantly change the amount of data and the distribution of data in a table. And sometimes after you create a new index, Oracle doesn't seem to have very good information about that index, so it may not use the index in all the situations it should. Technically, from Oracle 10G onward, you're not supposed to have to regather stats after creating a new index. But I've personally seen some situations where I've got some strange results, so I've gotten into the practice of gathering stats after creating a new index, just to be on the safe side. If you are concerned about your stats being out of date, the solution to get up-to-date stats is very simple. You just want to use the DBMS stats package. You can gather stats on a table as shown in the top item, and this will cascade down to all the indexes on the table as well. If the table is particularly large and you just want to sample a percentage of the rows, this can be done as well to speed up the gathering stats process. If you want to gather stats on every object in a schema, you can do that with the syntax at the bottom of the slide. Be prepared, though, that if we have a large schema with a lot of tables, this could take considerable time. Whatever route you choose, though, having up-to-date statistics will allow the Oracle Optimizer to make the most informed decisions about how it should execute your SQL statement. And many times, out-of-date stats are the reason why Oracle will seemingly refuse to use an index.